Hey, this is Dennis Fast of the Cashflow Mercenary. Welcome to another installment of Cashflow Mercenary Television. We had a great real estate conference over the weekend, all day Saturday, talking about real estate. Made a lot of new friends and hope to do some business with a lot of new folks in 2010, so it was a lot of fun. I want to talk to you about something that I talked about in my presentation, and that is, for those of you that weren't there, even if you were and you haven't done this yet, once you get home today, or if you are home, I want you to get out your W-2 form that your employer sent you for last year. I want you to look at the amount of state and federal taxes that you paid, and I want you to think about what you would do if you got all that back in May. What would you do if you got all that back? I know for me, it's a huge number. It's a staggering number. It's more than I made the first couple of years that I worked. And I do get it back every year because I own rental real estate. I'm not going to get into the how. I mean, just know that there are some very legal, moral, and ethical tax benefits that exist for people that own rental real estate. And if you take advantage of them by owning rental real estate, you can shelter your day job income. And I'll tell you, and I'll be blunt with you, and I was more blunt than this during the seminar, but if you have a day job and you don't get every dime back of your taxes that you pay every year, and you don't have rental real estate, then you're foolish. Very, very foolish. Because you're leaving money on the table each and every year. Money that you could be using to buy real estate, to go on vacation, to do whatever the heck you want to do with it. But you're leaving money on the table, and you shouldn't do that. If you don't believe me, go talk to your CPA. He'll vouch for it. If you want to get started buying real estate but don't know how, call me and we can talk about what's best for you. There's lots of different ways to get involved, and it's still the best time to buy real estate, and it probably will be for the rest of the year. So I encourage you to get involved. Research it and get involved. But don't spend too much time researching it because it doesn't take all that much study. This is Dennis Fast with the Cashflow Mercenary. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll talk again soon.